Revolver got DDoSed, and it was by me.
No, I DDoS you. My
I
DDoS was so good.
I take pride in doing that to Revolver.
Dude, I am a perfect block god.
Let's get the yeses of
OMG. OMG. OMG.
OMG!
What do I eat, guys? Do I eat smoke? Do I eat here? Or do I eat Mara? Oh.
No, let me get one. Let me get one.
Wait. How you get smoke here in Mara?
Let me get one. Let me get.
How'd you get it?
Let me get.
Naruto Ninja.
Let me get one. Let me.
Wow, what a weirdo!
No. It should have been me.
Wait, why did he give you all those fruits?
It should have been me.
Oh nah! Why did he give you all those fruits?
Come here, give me a kiss, boy.
I don't like it at all. I don't like it at all.
Ooh, Marina. Yeah.
Damn you, cockroach.
Hold on. We need to take an SS like that. Hold on. We gotta take an SS
Marina,
like
appreciate
that.
that.
We gotta take an SS like that. Hold on. Let me...
Hey, Marina, appreciate the 5 gifteds. That boy Jin Mag got a membership. Father Cake, I don't know the name. KKI, Angel, and Salty all got a membership.
Oh, they missed the goat. That's crazy.
A devil fruit spawn.
Wait. Flex your thing, my boy. No! He didn't flex it.
It should have been me.
It was never going to be you, boy. Alright, let's go farm someone.